how to reset your account password on Binance. So first you want to open up your browser and head to binance.com. Now you want to click on the three horizontal lines on the top right and then click on login. Now you will need to click on need help at the bottom and then click on I remember my account, and this should bring up the reset password window. Simply here you will need to enter your email address or your phone number, and then you want to press next and complete the CAPTCHA verification. And once you complete that, they should send you an email to reset your password. You will simply need to press the continue button at the bottom, and this will ask for additional verification such as the passkey or two-factor authentication if you have them enabled. Now you should be able to enter a new password here. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.